Get ready guys for dictation at the speed of 90 words per minute. Start. As per Punjab State Electricity Board Employees Regulations 1971, withholding of increments of pay without cumulative effect comes within the definition of minor penalties stop. Moreover, five increments were stopped without cumulative effect, but in this way implementation order shows that actually 15 increments of plaintiff have been stopped and he has suffered major financial loss. Stop. With regard to the authorities relied upon by counsel for plaintiff, these are not directly applicable to the present case and it is only guidance to this court how to interpret the words and phrases as enshrined in rules. Stop. Certainly, this court has to take guidance of such authorities to interpret the words when there is no earlier interpretation by Honorable High Court or Honorable Supreme Court of India nor brought to the notice of this court. Stop. In considered view of this court, the defendants have wrongly implemented the order. Stop. Plaintiff is certainly entitled for decree of declaration to this effect and he is entitled for restoration of his increment after every 1 year of its stoppage. Stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant board preferred civil appeal number 9 of 2009 before the learned additional district judge Patiala, who by judgment and decree dismissed the appeal. Stop. Para. The learned single judge appreciated the reasoning given by the courts below and came to hold that the manner in which the order was sought to be implemented without result in stoppage of 15 increments of the respondent, which is against the spirit of the order of punishment and in fact tantamounts to imposition of stoppage of increments with cumulative effect. Stop. The aforesaid conclusion ultimately led to the dismissal of the appeal in limine, for the learned single judge did not find any substantial question of law involved in the second appeal. Stop. We have heard learned counsel for the parties and perused the record. Stop. At the very outset, we may clearly state that there is no discord or dispute over the exposition of facts. Stop. The controversy has arisen with regard to implementation of the order of punishment imposed by the authority on the delinquent employee. Stop. The courts below have opined that though it is mentioned in the order of punishment that there is stoppage of 5 increments without cumulative effect, which is a minor punishment, yet the manner of implementation converts it to a major punishment. Stop. There can be no complaint over the proposition that when a punishment of stoppage of an increment with cumulative effect is imposed, it is a major punishment. Stop. In this regard, we may refer with profit to the decision in Kulwant Singh versus State of Punjab, wherein it has been held that withholding of increments of pay simpliciter without any hedge over it certainly would be a minor punishment, but withholding of increments with cumulative effect, the consequences being quite hazardous to the employees, it would come in the compartment of major punishment. Stop. Thanks all of you. For more updates, subscribe the channel.